Good morning, everybody. All right, so we're going to be covering the Unit 4, Week 3 vocabulary for this week's third grade Wonders story. One of the words in our selection this week is alert. Say that word with me, alert. To alert is to give warning. For example, wolves howl to alert other wolves when danger is nearby. How would you alert someone to talk quietly? All right, so on your cards this week, let's label them Unit 4, Week 3. Write the word alert on one side. And on the other side, let's write to warn about a danger. And again, pause the video to write the words and definitions, and then continue at your own pace. Okay, the next word in this week's selection is competition. Say that word with me, competition. A competition is a situation in which people or animals are trying to be more successful than others. For example, Joe won the competition because he was the fastest runner. What kind of competition have you participated in? Okay, write competition on one side of your card. And on the other side, write a situation in which people or animals are trying to be more successful than others. Okay, another word in this week's selection is environment. Say that word with me, environment. An environment is the natural features of a place. For example, the polar bear lives in a cold and snowy environment. Describe a whale's environment. Okay, write environment. And on the other side, write natural surroundings. Okay, the next word in this week's selection is excellent. Say that word with me, excellent. Something that is excellent is very good. For example, Lily's excellent artwork won first place in the art show. Tell about a time when something you did was excellent. Write the word excellent. And for the definition, simply write very good. The next word in this week's selection is prefer. Say that word with me, prefer. To prefer is to like better. Simon and his friends prefer walking to riding their bikes. What kind of transportation do you prefer? Okay, write prefer. And for the definition, write to like better. Okay, another word in this week's selection is protection. Say that with me, protection. Protection is when something is kept safe. For example, the skunk's scent provides protection from its enemies. What do you use for protection on sunny days? Write protection. And on the other side, write the act of keeping safe. Something used to keep safe. Okay, the next word in our selection is related. Say that word with me. Related. To be related is to belong to the same family. For example, Josh and Jen are related because they are both members of the same family. Name two animals that are related. Okay, write related. And on the other side, write belong to the same family. Okay, and the final word in this week's selection is shelter. Say that word with me. Shelter. Shelter is something that covers or protects. For example, our tent was a dry and safe shelter during the storm. What is another kind of shelter people use? Okay, write shelter. And for the definition, write something that covers or protects. Okay, again, that was the last word for this week. So until next week, I will see you soon.